Have you noticed something strange? At night, we feel so motivated, so focused, and so full of hope. We start thinking from tomorrow, I will fix everything, I will become my better version of myself. But then the next morning, nothing happens. You wake up, and all of the energy, all of the excitement, it's gone. Why does this happen? Let's talk about it. Point 1. Why we feel motivated at night. At night, the world is quiet. No phone calls, no responsibilities, no noise. And when the outside world slows down, your inner world wakes up. Your mind starts to reflect. You start thinking about your goals, your life, your future. You feel inspired because you're finally alone with your thoughts. It feels powerful. It feels real. But here is the truth. It's not enough. That motivation based on emotion, not a plan. Point 2. Why it disappears in the morning. You open your eyes and reality hits. You feel tired, distracted, and suddenly unsure. Our brain switches from to dream mode to survival mode. You start thinking, where do I even start? What if I fail? And I will do it later. All the fire from the night before, it fade away. And you are back in the same loop again and again. Number 3. The psychology behind this pattern. Here is something to important understand. At night, our brain is more creative. We relax, there is no pressure. Our dream big because our brain isn't attacked by the real problems. But in the morning, logic takes away. The same brain start focusing on problems, doubts, and tasks. It become risk avoidant. So we end up thinking maybe later, maybe tomorrow. That's not laziness, that's how the brain works. Unless you train it differently. Point number 4. The real solution step by step. Now let's talk solutions. When you feel motivated at night, don't just enjoy the feeling, write it down. Make the idea small, real, and time bound. Leave a sticky note near your bed or mirror that says, don't forget what you felt the last night. Because that one line bring your focus back in seconds. Dream bigs are built through daily small wins. And don't try to change everything overnight. Just do one thing daily that supports your nighttime version. Final message. The truth is we all have that nighttime version of us. The one who dream big. So next time you feel inspired at night. So don't waste it. And don't trust it blindly either. Turn it into small action for the next morning. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned.